In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify dashboard language. So for me right now, everything is in Dutch. Now if I want to change this to English, then here's how you can do it. Now it also works for any other language. To do this, just open up your Shopify dashboard, and in the top right, go and click on this section that says My Store in whatever language it is currently set to. From there, click on the second to last option, and it says Manage Account. And that will take you right here. Now just gonna scroll down past the Google and Facebook and stuff, and then here you will have your preferred language. So it says language right here, and you can then select which language you want. I'll set it to English, and then go and click Save. And now you will see that if I go back to my Shopify dashboard, that now everything is in English. So now you know how to change your Shopify dashboard language. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.